The improved Graphs window in Vericut 9.2 combines infographs and force charts in a new comprehensive and configurable graphs window. Select any combination of cutting conditions and force conditions to view in graphs, display cutting limits, and compare optimized versus original values. A new Tool Use window provides convenient views of tool and program runtimes as well as optimization savings. Dock either window in your Vericut desktop to see the information in real time during simulations. For more information on tool use windows and dockable graphs, see the Vericut help.